Hey, what's going on, guys? You guys, Troy, TXRC Productions, ATX Drone Space, drone and multi-rotor reviews, tips, tricks, and unboxings.
Hi.
I'm Parker. So check it out. We just spent the day earlier today building our MRM Switchblade. It is a true X-frame. It is sick, man. I put the Lux flight controller in there, simple MRM PDB. Not a simple PDB, just one of their basic little $3 MRM ones. It's got an HS 1177 hooked up to it. Titan 2204 2300 kV motors from MRM, Multirotormania. Tattoo powered, obviously. 4S, 1300 LiPo. Hawkeye 200 milliwatt VTX. Duraspec vast antenna until we get those Triumphs in. Runcam 2. Brent Collier's 3D printed TPU design. I think that's about it. I got DYS SN20s on there. I know Zeus's would have been a better choice, Little B's, all that. Tried and true for me, man. SN20s for me. It's not pro enough to need the upgrades. But wanted to just tell you, I'm going to show you the Maiden flight when we're done here. This thing, I put it on the latest version of Beta Flight using Clean Flight to do all the configuration. It is loaded with Lux Float, stock PIDs, and here's the Maiden video. It is bad to fly. Well, good. I had a lot of fun. I only had a quick little practice session, but here it goes. You guys fly safe, fly smart, fly for fun, fly FPV. Chef PV out. Peace.